Huh?
Can you hear me?
No.
Uh,
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Don't steal our packages. There you go.
Out of there. Get out of there. Two people in our carport right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Look these right here. Yeah, drop it.
Please be aware of your surrounding, ladies. Try to carry some mace or a gun with you. You never know what these creeps have planned.
Lacey?
Good thing there was a man around. This guy would not leave her alone.
Stop!
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's not my mom. Lacey! Huh? This guy following me, Lacey. Who is he? I don't know. He's been following me since.
JR! Push, what up?
He's been following me since I've been calling you.
JR, just coming out. Okay. Call the police. He's in his car?
No, he's been following me since 60 seconds.
Call the police.
I tried to.
Pretty sure you guys already have opened up your gifts. Merry Christmas to you all. But don't forget about those other delivery outlets all the way throughout the year.
Doing? Hey, what are you doing? Get off my porch.
It happened to fuck like this. Andrew! Get the fuck out here! Fuck you!
Hello? Excuse me, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm kind of lost. Is there a park around here?
You know what?
Sylvan
You need to start walking. Get away from the house.
Okay, which direction is Sylvan Park in?
I don't know. Just go find somewhere else. Keep walking. Keep walking. I can still see you. Keep walking. I can still see you. Keep walking.
Don't forget to double check those doors before you go in. Also, don't leave anything that you really need in your car, just in case.
Get the fuck out of my car. I'm calling the cops right now. What the fuck is wrong with you?
No, you know better. Don't fuck
Hey,
with me.
motherfucker, you fucking crazy. You're lucky I'm not there. Well,
You're
fuck your
Steve
ass
fucking
up.
telling you to go fuck yourself?
You stupid old motherfucker. Well, fuck off my property. You out of your fucking mind? Don't come back. I'm gonna fuck you up. Trying to take my fucking bicycle? You hear me, motherfucker? Do you
Look
hear
what he
me?
did. Done got Grandpa excited.
I'm telling you, you better hope I don't see you. Trying to take my fucking bicycle? You fucking bitch. I'll fuck you up.
Now he's gonna talk about whooping somebody for the next 2 hours.
Hey, is William Martin? I'm here to get William Martin. Can you? I watched. Okay, sir. I didn't do anything, ma'am. Okay, that's the house I'm supposed to be at. I got something for you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is yours.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you looking for?
A bud lives here.
Who? He don't know you. Get off my porch, or I'm calling the cops.
What's going on, buddy? Can you hear me, bud?
Hello?
Can you hear me, buddy?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
No.
Uh, what's happening? Can you hear me?
I can barely hear you.
All right. Well, we're kind of indisposed at the moment. What's happening?
Yeah, I'm just curious if you know who lives next to you or if you've been hearing anything crazy.
Yeah, we've been here all night. There were like 4 fire trucks here earlier and cop cars. They knocked on the door. We haven't seen or heard anything.
Okay, cool. But you haven't heard anything crazy coming from the house?
We haven't heard anything, and we've been here all night.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Jesus Christ.
Get away from that car. Wait.
Hey, motherfucker!
Please try to get those packages in as early as possible, or try to redirect them to the nearest post office where you can just grab them on your way home. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts below, please.
Somebody just went and tried the cars.
Are you serious?
Yep, they're walking away now.
See?
Oh my God!
She still comes back and takes it a few moments later. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.